Today's bite-sized training will show you how to create a template on a Google slide so that when you have students collaborating on a Google slide that you've given them as a template together or independently, they can't really mess with the template itself, but they can edit the pieces that you want them to edit. So in this example, I'm creating sort of like a mini blog using Google Slides, and my template gives students some brief instructions, gives them a blog prompt, and then below gives them some space to respond to that prompt. And then over here, I have a 5-minute YouTube video, a timer that they can use when they're writing. The goal then is to share this activity on Google Classroom. Every student will know which slide is theirs to edit. They can look at each other's responses and comment and all of that. But in the meantime, I don't want them to be able to edit my actual template. So apply this to any sort of Google slide collaboration or assignment or activity that you might be using. Again, the focus of this video is to show you a trick so that you can kind of protect what your template looks like. So I've designed just one slide here, and again, I want the template to look like this, and I don't want students to come in here and be able to change things and move stuff around. I want every slide to be the same for this activity. So what I'm going to do is select my slide. I'm going to go to File, Download as PNG, which is going to save this slide as an image. So now I'm going to go ahead and insert a new slide, and I'm going to change the background so that it is that image that I just made. So now the students cannot change any of the stuff. So again, I saved my template, File, Download as PNG. It turned this into an image, and then I changed the background of my slide so that it was that image, and now the students can't change anything on here. So to make this functional, I will insert a text box or images or whatever it is I want the students to be able to manipulate. I can insert a text box here so that I can determine, which part of this, which piece of this do I want my students to be able to edit. So what I will do is add my video to the one that I actually want to use. My background of the slide is an image, so the students can't change it. I've added my text box to make it functional, and now I can come in here, Control-C to copy, and I can paste the same thing as many times as I need to so that I have enough in here for my students, and each student will know, okay, which slide is mine, which one am I supposed to edit. Again, lots of applications of how to use collaborative Google Slides, but the purpose of this was to show you that trick so that your students can only edit the pieces that you want them to edit.